If we could turn back the clock to the beginning when the world rocked, I'd like to see what this earth could be without you and me. Clean water would be everywhere. The skies would be blue beyond compare. No pollution, no industrial waste. We'd have amazing grace. This earth is a planet that none of us own. We are but tenants here in Mother Nature's home. We need to beware and appreciate before it's too late. Our human footprint has not been kind. We act without care, without mind. Deforestation and global warming are not just words for warning. The animals, the birds, the fish in the streams deserve a world that is clean. The clock is ticking. We need to make amends before this world we have ends. This earth is a planet that none of us own. We are but tenants here in Mother Nature's home. Act now, don't wait before